In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a client portal link in HoneyBook, Portal Access 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your portal link and the simplest way to copy or download it so clients can access everything they need in one place. This is perfect if you want clients to view proposals, invoices, or shared files without digging through emails. First, open your browser and go to honeybook.com. Type the address directly into the URL bar to make sure you're on the official site. When the page loads, sign into your HoneyBook account. Enter your login details as you normally would, and if you're prompted for security verification, complete that right away. You might see a code sent to your device or a quick identity check. Once you're in, you're ready to move on. No extra setup needed here. After logging in, you'll land on your HoneyBook dashboard. This is your home base where you'll see activity summaries, upcoming tasks, and quick links. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation bar. This sidebar is where you'll find everything you need, from projects and tools to your account preferences. Look for the settings option in that menu. It often appears with a small gear icon. Go ahead and click settings to open your account and business controls. Inside settings, choose company, then select client portal and domain. This section is dedicated to customizing your client-facing portal and managing the link your clients will use. It's also where any branding or domain settings live, so it's a useful place to remember. Now scroll down to the client portal area on this page. This is where HoneyBook groups everything related to client access. Keep scrolling until you see the section that displays your portal link. You'll see your client portal URL clearly listed. This is the link you'll share with clients so they can access their portal. From here, you can copy the link to your clipboard with a single click, which is perfect for pasting into an email, message, or template you already use. You may also see a download option for a shareable version, depending on your setup. Use that if you prefer a file you can attach or keep on hand. That's all there is to it. You've located your client portal link and captured it in the format that works best for you. Simple, fast, and ready to share.